Welcome back, hope you're well. On the menu today we're going to make a really simple, beautiful dal or curried lentils. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at what we have here. So we've got our cooked red dal, and just so you know, that's the dal, red dal. When you cook it, it just turns a yellow colour like that. Give it a wash in water a couple of times, and then it cooks in about just 6 or 7 minutes, cooks really quickly. If you want, you could put salt in the water. Onion, tomato, fresh curry leaves, if you can get these, fantastic. What I always call the big four. We've got like 2 teaspoons each of coriander, turmeric, cumin and chili powder, and then a couple of teaspoons each of black mustard seeds and cumin seeds. A nice hefty tablespoon of garlic ginger paste. Garlic ginger paste is a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger, and some fresh chili to taste. We're going to start this off with some oil, and we're going to add salt. Very, very easy, but absolutely delicious. So I've got my pan here and I've got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil. You could use something different if you wanted. Let's drop in our cumin seeds and our black mustard seeds. In they go. They're going to really infuse that oil, so give them a few seconds to do their thing. At the same time, we're going to drop in the curry leaves. They can be very noisy sometimes. Let's take a look. Not too bad. Onion. Cut that nice and small. High heat. I'll see you in about 3 to 4 minutes. There you go, 3 to 4 minutes there, just coming together. A wonderful aroma already. You'll find this for sure if you're making this. It's really, really beautiful. What we're going to do now is drop in our garlic ginger paste, salt, just give that a little mix. Then we're going to add our chopped fresh tomatoes. Now what I want to do is I want to cook the hell out of these tomatoes. I want them to really cook down so we end up with a nice little sauce. So it's probably going to take 5 or 6 minutes. Keep it moving. We may get, or hopefully we're going to get some moisture from the tomatoes as they break down. And as you can see, we've really cooked those tomatoes down and got a bit of moisture out of it. Let's drop in our spices. Now if you want, you could just use curry powder that you have, but I've got a couple of teaspoons each of cumin, turmeric, coriander and chili powder in there. Next up, we're going to put in our fresh chili and our cooked dal. Let's give that a nice mix. Now we're going to add some water. Now, it's up to you. You could actually just have it like this. You could actually just fry it off and have it like this, or add as little or as much water as you like, really. That looks about right to me. Stay on the high heat, keep it moving for about 4 minutes. I'll see you then. Okay, beautiful. What I'm going to do now is get it on a simmer, nice and low, and let it go again for about another 4 or 5 minutes on a nice low heat now. If it dries out too much, you could add some more water. Like I said, it's up to you how moist you want your dal. It's in about 5 minutes. Okay, that's beautiful. Off goes the heat. If you wanted, you could drop some fresh cilantro or coriander in there. I like it just like that. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.